Thank you for downloading our watercolor sheets. Today we're going to be painting Moroccan tiles. Sorry about the smudge there because Chewy sat all over my painting and she drew. We're going to be using two colors today, Prussian blue as well as Winsor yellow deep. These are from Winsor & Newton. You can use any Prussian blue or yellow color that you have. So first of all, the outlines are already printed for you, so you don't have to worry about them. We need 2 glasses of water, one for yellow and the other one for our blues. And then what you want to do first is to actually create a swatch of the 2 colors, see the opacity that you want and adjust accordingly. So we're going to use 2 brushes. We're going to use a size 2 as well as a size 0 or 1. So here we are just using one brush to create a very thick, slightly thicker stroke with the Winsor yellow deep color. So take your time doing this. Move the paper around if you like. You don't have to be confined to just one angle. And then we're going to work on the second tile. Altogether on your sheet you will find 4 different tiles. So we're only going to do a demo for 2. You should be able to do the other 2 on your own. It's fairly simple. All you need is a lot of patience as well as some time. So don't rush. Overall I took about almost an hour to paint these 2, but during the workshop we actually had people who everyone painted 4 of them in under 2 hours, so that was really good. So if you're looking for something to do in the afternoon, you can definitely try out painting these sheets. So you want to print out these sheets on 200 or 300 GSM watercolor paper. We're using 300 GSM cotton Arto paper here. Now the next color we're going to use is a Prussian blue. Here we're using a liner brush from Princeton. This one is in size 10/0. And then we're going back to our size 2 Rosemary brush for 01. Okay, we're going to cover up the first tile because we don't want to get our hands sweaty and smudge that painting. Okay, so we're going to paint the blues on right now. So you got to be very careful about painting on the blues, because if you were to go over the yellow area too much and rub on it too much, what happens is you reactivate the yellow and you get green color. So make sure your yellows are completely dry before you go over them with blue if there are any areas that require going over them. And here we are just painting the sides. Make sure you have a stable hand when you do this. Turn the paper around if you have to again. And there you are. These are 2 Moroccan tiles. So good luck trying the other 2, and we hope you have fun painting this.